Now let's add in the LEDs. So remember that LEDs have polarity, and the longer leg, it's what's called the anode, and the shorter leg is what's called the cathode, and that usually gets connected to ground. And as for the long leg, the anode, that is the side in which current will reach the LED first. Current flows through the anode and then out through the LED and out through the cathode. So for the long leg, I will go pin 15, and short leg is pin 16. And then for my second LED, the long leg, which is the anode, will go in pin 20. Short leg, cathode, goes in 21. And then for the third LED, long leg, pin 25, short leg, pin 26. Okay. Basically, and you'll notice that one side of the LED is kind of flat. Okay, that flat side is facing toward the short leg. So you should see all three on your LEDs, all three LEDs. The flat side is facing you, or facing in the same direction. Next will be our 220 ohm resistors. So in our schematic, the resistors are going from the cathode, which is the short leg, back to ground. So starting with this top resistor, we'll go from, let's see, our cathode is sitting in pin 16, so I'll go row 16, column, in case column A. I'll give myself some more room. Row 16, column B, back to ground, the negative column. And then for the second LED, the cathode is in row 21. So I'll go row 21, column B, back to ground. And then 20, let's see, the third LED, row 26, back to ground. All right. There it is. And then the anode side, on our LEDs, if you look here in the schematic, let's see, the anode side, one of them is going to pin 2. So we'll actually, let's say we'll use this one. It's pin 2. And then we'll go into row 25. And I'm in column B. Pin 3. This goes into row 20, column B. And pin 4. And this will go into row 15. Okay. All right, so that is our circuit. Now we're ready to move on to write our code.